Ever created an amazing AI video only to realize there's no sound? Don't worry, I've got you. In this video, I'll show you 2 simple ways to add realistic sound effects to your AI-generated videos. And the best part is that you can start using it for free. Hi, I'm AI and welcome to my YouTube channel, where we explore the latest in AI tools and tips to supercharge your creativity. Let's start by turning an image into a video using Kling. You can use any video generator you prefer, but for this tutorial, I'll stick with Kling. If you're curious about the best video generators out there, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my upcoming video tutorials. Next, open up your video editor. We'll use it to add the sound effects we're about to create to the video you just made. For this example, I'm using CapCut, but feel free to use whichever editor you're comfortable with. Now it's time to create some sound effects using 11 Labs. For this example, I want to generate a sound effect for a white beach scene. All you need to do is describe the scene you want to create a sound effect for, and 11 Labs will handle the rest. It will generate 4 variations of the sound effect for you to choose from. Once you've picked your favorite, just download the MP3 file and import it into your video editor. And just like that, watch as your AI-generated video comes to life with sound. Now, let me show you an even easier method. No video editing required. This AI model generates sound directly from your video. It's called MMAUDIO, an open-source advanced AI model that transforms video into high-quality audio seamlessly. Let's check it out. If you'd like to use it for free, you can find the GitHub link in the description. However, setting it up requires some technical knowledge and decent computing power. But don't worry, we're skipping all that. Instead, we'll use Replicate, which lets you use this model effortlessly without any GitHub deployment or a powerful PC. And the best part, if you're a first-time user, you can start using it for free. Now, let's generate sound from your video using MMAUDIO on Replicate. First, upload your video and provide a short description of the sound you want to create. For simplicity, I'll just reuse the same description I used earlier with 11 Labs. Hit Run to start generating the sound. It will take only a few seconds. Mine took 25 seconds. Now let's hear it. Here are a few examples of AI-generated videos I've created, now enhanced with sound effects. Check them out. If you enjoyed this quick and straightforward tutorial, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.